Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth, and yeah, welcome to it's just a day in the life. Yeah, that's what I went through today, and I am going to do a few things. Basically, in this vlog I'll be cooking dumpling, doing gravy, and I'm making my bed just to kickstart my day. Yeah, and I hope you're going to subscribe to my channel because guys, it's giving growth, and I thank you so much for the outcome that has turned up to my channel in the past week, and I will forever be grateful for your presence and your time in my channel. Hope you are still doing good. Yeah, and it was time to change my sheet, so I'm not gonna iron. I don't iron. I use a steel iron that I put on fire. So it's a machine. Imagine even this thing, because it's a 2-in-1. How do I iron this kind of a thing? That is not an excuse, but guys, I do not iron. Don't come for me. I do not. But if I have chance and we have electricity, I will iron. So yeah, guys, how are you doing? I am doing so fine, and please do not skip the ads. We are in winter, so the ads are going to make us warm. Leave a comment, and yeah, thumbs up the video and share. I felt like lemon and water this morning, so I cooked it. So today I am going to do dumpling. I bought flour, I bought yeast, so I need to do some dumpling. I've been not craving, but I just want to make something different for my family today. So yeah, join me when I am doing a dumpling. I don't know how will be the outcome, but I know how to do a dumpling. So let's just go and do some flour. This is what I am using, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil for that extra fluffiness. I'm only gonna do 2 cups. I don't want a lot of it, so I'll do 2 cups. By the way, this is my very first time doing a dumpling in my house. Like, since I have moved in here, this is the first time I have done it. The thing that I always do was the cookies, and with a gas stove that does not have an element on top, it has got fire in the bottom only, so the top doesn't become brown, so I had to flip them over to make them brown both sides. But with a dumpling, it's a steamed bread, no need for that. It's so easy to make. And again, with the sugar and the salt, I was just eyeballing. I was just measuring with my head. I didn't want a lot of sugar. I didn't want it to be too sweet or very low. But guys, I have put in 5 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. I think it's a spoon. It came out so nice. I thought the sugar won't be enough or will be more, but it was moderate. And by the way, I am using a very low warm water, not hot, not cold. And my dough wasn't that soft. I was using my hands to do this thing, and I wanted to mix it until it doesn't stick on my hands. Guys, honestly, to tell you the truth, I was feeling myself when I reached this mixture. I felt like I have arrived. I felt like I have achieved something. Don't come for me, because this is for the first time I'm doing it in my place. I haven't been doing this in a long time, so the outcome, I'm so happy. Yeah, in the meantime, I have put the dough outside. I covered it with a cloth and put it outside on the heat for it to raise, to ferment, to be ready to be cooked. Yeah, it didn't take so much time. 30 minutes, I think it was enough. And I cooked it, I think, for 20 to 30 minutes also. So this onion is for the gravy that I'm using. I'm going to use to eat with the dumpling. I was gonna have dumpling with gravy, I think with meat also. I'm going to put in half the oxtail cube and a full of chicken stock cube. The oxtail, I just need the color there, and the chicken, I need the flavor. That's why it's a full cube. And a raja for another flavor also. I don't put soup in my gravy in most of the time. I forgot to show you this dough whilst it was outside. Look at how it has raised. It didn't even take time. It was a sunny day. It was hot outside, so I'm just going to put it in a bowl, a steel bowl, and put it in that pot and steam it. I couldn't wait. It is coming together so nicely. So perfect. After dishing out for myself, I even went back to the container to reload, and I ate almost half of that container. I don't want to lie. My daughter was even laughing at me. It was so nice. That is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye.